We are learning to write simple sentences. A sentence is a group of words that are put together so that they tell you something. They make sense. When we speak, we say the words so that they make sense and people can understand us and they can understand what we're saying. So you're speaking in sentences. When we read books, we see that they are also written in sentences so that they can give us their message. Look at this book, Look, No Tail, by Jill Eggleton. The lizard is going over the grass is the first sentence, and that makes sense. Here comes a bird is the second sentence, and that makes sense. I wonder what's over the page. Look at the lizard. That is a sentence. No tail. The crab is going over the sand. Here comes a big crab. Those all make sense. Look at the crab. That makes sense too. So these sentences all tell us a story and they all make sense. A sentence is a group of words which make sense. Have a look at these sentences and see if they make sense. This is a big house. Yes, that makes sense. I like ice cream. Yes, that makes sense too. Now have a look at this one, because the sentence says the cat is. That doesn't tell us anything, so it doesn't really make sense. Now if we say the cat is lying on the ground, it tells us what's happening to the cat, and it does make sense now. Now here are some more sentences. I am 6. My friend Joe has brown hair. My class is room 17. My school is Ashurst School. These are all sentences. They all make sense. So to finish off, sentences are a group of words that make sense. Yay, you've got it.